Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 on any device. So let's get started. First go to your browser and type download Windows 10 on the search bar. And select the first official site of Microsoft, download Windows 10 disk image. And scroll down and click the download tool option. And now download is started. And now I am going to delete this. I already downloaded the tool. And go to the downloaded folder and open the tool. And wait for a few minutes. Create installation media to make it as an ISO. Click next. If you want system automated settings, don't uncheck the box. If you want to customize these options, uncheck that. And you can change the settings, language, edition, and architecture. I am choosing in English UK, and edition is Windows 10. That's only, and this is the main part. If your processor is in 32-bit, you choose 32-bit, or if your processor is 64-bit, choose 64. If you want both of them, click both. Now I am going to choose 64. Now I will show that how to check if the processor is 64 32-bit. Right click at this PC and go to properties, and you can see in system type x64 operating system x64 based processor. My system is x64 based processor, so I am going to choose x64 bit and close this. Click next and choose ISO file and click next. And choose location where you want to download. Now I am going to download in this location. And click save and wait for some minutes until it will be finished. It depends on your network speed. And click finish. And go to the downloaded location, and this is the ISO, and we want to download another application, that is Rufus. type Rufus download and go to the official site, first one, and this is the interface of the application, and scroll down and you can see the download links. So I want to download Rufus portable version. Click the second one and download is started, and go to the download location of that, and these are the items we want to download, and open the Rufus tool. This is the interface of this application, and we have to select the ISO from the select button and go to the download location of the ISO, and select the USB drive from the above list. I am using an 8 GB, and don't touch any other options. And the another main option is the partition scheme. If your disk is using GPT, that means your BIOS is UEFI, click the GPT option. If your BIOS is too old like legacy, click MBR. I will show that how to check the disk is in MBR or GPT partition. Click Windows button and X and go to disk management and click the OS disk 0 mainly. Go to properties and go to the volume tab, and you can see master boot record MBR. If you are in GPT, click the GPT partition, and it also supports UEFI BIOS method. So close it and continue. And that's all, and click start button. And before starting, please back up your pen drive all the data. So wait for some minutes. It will take 20 minutes or 25 minutes. And boot media is ready, and click close. The drive, and it will switch to bootable media drive and replug. You can see the icon is changed. Now I am going to change my camera, so quality may be differ. Now it's time for restart system. And click the BIOS option key to boot to the pen drive, or go to BIOS and change the boot sequence to the bootable pen drive. And click next and click the install now button and wait. If you already buy the product key, type it to the words. Now I just skip this part. I don't have any product key. Select the edition of Windows to install. I am going to choose Windows 10 Pro. And click next. And tick the checkbox and click next. And click custom install. And choose the partition where you want to install. Now I am choosing this partition and click format to erase all the files in that partition. And again click that partition and click next. Now I am going to skip this installation part. It's time for restart. Click the restart button. And again the system will restart. And select your country from this list. Now I am going to choose India. Now select the keyboard layout. I am going to choose English India. If you want to add secondary keyboard, just add it. Now I am going to skip this. Now it's time for connect the internet. Now I am not connecting the internet. Just click on the I don't have internet. Now just click continue with limited setup. And here type the owner's name in this box. and create the password here and click next. Wait for some minutes. It depends on your speed of the system. And setup is completed. And connect the internet, and it's time for check some updates and install some drivers. I already connect my network and go to settings, scroll down and go to updates and security and click check for updates. I already clicked that option, and these are my updates, and wait for some minutes or hours to install it. And you can see some of the updates needed to be restarted. Click the restart button to install. And that's all. And thank you for watching my video, and kindly please subscribe my channel, and if you like it, please get like, and if you have any doubts, comment it and share it. Thanks.